Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Tally Revit. First, ensure Tally is properly installed as a Revit add-in. Open your Revit project and locate the Tally tab in the ribbon. You'll begin by setting up your project's cost database, which involves defining cost categories and associating them with your model elements. This initial setup is crucial for accurate cost tracking throughout your design process. To configure your cost data, navigate to the Tally settings. Here, you can define specific cost categories such as concrete, steel, or finishes. You'll then input unit costs for these items, perhaps $50 per square foot for a wall type. Tally allows you to import existing cost databases or build one from scratch, ensuring your estimates reflect current market prices and project specifics. Now, let's link your Revit model elements to the cost data. Select an element, like a wall or a floor, and use the Tally panel to assign it to a previously defined cost category. For instance, a 12-inch concrete wall might be linked to your concrete walls category. Tally provides tools to quickly map multiple elements, streamlining the process and ensuring comprehensive cost coverage. Finally, Tally Revit empowers you to generate powerful cost reports. Access the reporting features to view a comprehensive breakdown of your project's estimated costs. You can analyze costs by category, such as materials versus labor, or by specific building systems. These reports are invaluable for making informed design decisions and ensuring your project stays within budget, providing clear financial insights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.